Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and our market is trying to recover, which is a good thing. Because actually, I only buy indices. So now the market is trying to recover. You see, so which is a good thing. So please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. It's extra hot, guys. It's extra hot Forex. So we used to this whether the market is going up or down. So I'm on gold here. Okay, I forgot to show people that this is gold. This is gold. As you can see, I'm on a 4-hour time frame, and it shows that we are actually on what? On the support area. Do you see that? And this support area is not just support area, it's a uptrend support. The market is actually doing what? It's going up. The market is actually pushing up. So every time when the market reaches this area at the moment, not like always, at the moment, once the market touched this area, we see the market pushing up. Even now, we see that the market touched here and pushed up. But for us, we can't just say, let's jump on the market. Maybe just because the market just touched our support. What we're going to do is, we're going to go like little bit closer and see, because the market was on bearish. You can see that the market really pushed lower from this area. The market just kept going low. So it means the bearish momentum is quite strong, and there is possibility that the market can break the support. So where can we buy, Kenzo? Yeah, I know that question is coming. Where can we buy? Because people, they just want to buy. So we have two options, guys, here. The options are whether we're going to wait for this resistance. You see that resistance is actually now a wedge. Now the market is playing along this wedge. So it means if the market breaks this resistance, it's where we can say now we can buy. So if the market keeps going lower and break this support, we can say, you know what, we can continue to sell because the support is broken. We don't have to complicate things. It just have to be like that. And I see the market, it's like trying to push higher. The market is let me just bring this thing here. I'm used to it when it's here. So this is what I see. You see that? So if the market is going to push lower, it means wait for the market to break this area. When it breaks this area or zone, we can say when it comes back and retest is where we're going to sell. You know the secret, guys, the secret in this market is to wait for the market to do its thing, then jump on it. Wait for the market to present itself to you. You see, I hope you understand that. So without wasting your time, let me go to US30. I really like what I see here. But even if I like what I see at the moment, the thing is, sometimes you can't just jump on this type of moves, guys. You see why? Remember, the market was like really selling, and when I check to my left, guys, I don't really see a perfect support. Yes, I drawn this line here, but I see that I was actually forcing the market to reach this area, the zone where maybe I can see the market we can say maybe it was a resistance, maybe around this area. Let me just mark it like this. You see, around this area, around this zone here. So the market decided not to reach there, which is fine. Even if maybe we try to connect some, but yeah, we will be forcing, because what I see actually is the market here from this area was doing something like this. So I'm not going to say this area will match with something. No. So, but what is the move at the moment? At the moment, yes, the market is pushing up. But remember, we still have that bearish momentum and it's not broken. And why we say that, it's because from this area, once the market reached this area, the market showed us that the bearish momentum is quite strong. You see, it's very, very strong. Even if now we see that the market is trying to push up, it's fine. But what if the market just reach this area and drop again? You see, because we don't have to force to trade. We don't have to force trade actually, because since we saw that we are still under bearish, whether the market is moving with a very big nice candlestick, it doesn't mean that you're forced to be in the market. We only going to be in the market when the market try to break this area. It will show us that, okay guys, now I was under that bearish momentum which started like a month ago, and now it's time for that bearish to end. But there's possibility that the market can respect this area and push lower, you see. So I I follow the trends, guys, and that when I do that, whatever that I do becomes way too easy. But I know that even if it's too easy, it means sometimes when you follow specific rules or strategy, just know that you're going to miss some. You're going to miss some opportunities because maybe your style of trading doesn't allow you to enter there. You see, at the moment, yes, my style of trading doesn't allow me to just jump here. Maybe even yesterday I had something here. I had a resistance here which did not really make that for me. You see that? So that's why I did not even maybe send the signal for US30 on my group, but we did it on NASDAQ. So here we still under the roof. So it means if you really follow, if you don't just want to trade, you trade by the rules, you are just going to wait for the market to reach this area. Why? You might trade here and maybe today you make profit, but this type of moves, they're going to repeat for themselves for some time. So some days you're going to get trapped in this. Once you buy, the market will just keep going lower. So it's better to follow the rules, even if you missed. If this is to me, I think this is a small move, guys, because if the bullish momentum is going to come here, it might be long, similar to what we saw here. So it means if I missed this piece, the market is still going to come and give me more. So it's not like I'm going to cry over that. So what do we see? We see that the market is now pushing up, but did we break the resistance? No, which means the market, there's possibility that the market can still reject here or respect this area and push lower. If the market is so strong, we might see the market breaking this area, which is something that I want. We can wait for a retest, or sometimes we don't even have to wait for a retest. Then we can just, you know what, the market is above that. We saw that the market is just pushing up and up. Then we can just jump on the market. That way is quite simple, and the rules are just straightforward. We don't complicate things in the name of trading. Just people, they just like to trade. When they go on Instagram, they see people trading, they just want to do the same thing. No, remember, your style of trading is different, so obviously you should be also different, you see. So here is NASDAQ 100 on an hour. Let's go to a 2-hour time frame so that we can see the bigger picture. So it's just the same thing. So what do we see here? We still see that, you know what, we are still on that downtrend. You see the market started here, then the market, since the market was pushing lower and lower. So are we on a bullish momentum? Actually, no, we are not. You look at these areas, I think I showed you yesterday. So this one just broke here. So there is possibility that the market can reach this area and push lower. I don't know if you see that, but we can't just say the market is going to do this and that, because there's areas, so many areas that we can say these are the resistance. So it means for us to just hold, because I think yesterday we bought around this area. if I still remember, yeah, around that area we bought. Then the market later on pushed lower, then later pushed up again. So it means for us to be in a very, very, very nice buy, we should know that, you know what, we still on bearish momentum, and the market is on the middle. It's on the middle at the moment. So it means let's wait for the market to break this area, or else maybe the market is going to push lower, you see. Then if the market is going to push lower, for us who only buy this index, we're not going to be get involved in the market. We're going to get involved when the market is going to go above this downtrend, which is that is the sign of how the bearish momentum it is. So the bearish is very strong on this thing. So yeah, I think from this we can just wait for a breakout, or maybe the market is going to respect this area and push low. Easy as that. If that doesn't happen, it means the market will be playing around here. It means we're not going to do anything. Maybe we will send signals for currency pairs and stuff like that. But for the indices, if we are on a bearish momentum, we are on a bearish momentum. We can't force and say, yeah, look, the market is going up and down. Yeah, you should stick to the rules. If you have rules, and if you told yourself that you want to follow them, you have to follow them. It doesn't matter if maybe you see some nice bullish candlesticks, you see. So I hope you understood that, guys. Please, 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 don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bow.